Nakivubo Channel is a 9-kilometer stretch channel which got started with the construction earlier this year, and it's been able to attract a lot of controversies throughout the media, especially with the flooding that later happened in the city because of its construction. Inside, outside has got different shapes, and down is meant to carry water, while up is supposed to have shops or kind of malls that you can see. Like, all these are supposed to be malls that are meant to become shops, and they are supposed to be used, for people to use them while the water is completely passing down, to allow the area to be neat, and also to allow one other thing that I say is supposed to allow the full access to Nakivubo Stadium for the people, because this place is quite very congested and is just next to the new tax park, which is a very busy area. So this area is supposed to allow people to open up the roads and probably maybe keep away the street vendors that sit along this channel. So this construction and this project has attracted a lot of controversies within the city, and KCC are not positive about it, and other organizations not actually thinking that it's a good deal for Uganda. But today, we get to explore and have an in-depth look at the channel from the area part, and also look inside so you can have a sense of development that has taken shape within the channel and great kind of updates.
now they covered the water channel already. Because they took 2 trenches to be the water channel. You see this thing here? This is the water channel, the other one and the third one. It is where the water is going to be passing through. Now they are lifting the first floor, which is going to be stopping somewhere here. And now this step is already being passed behind. The
from the other side?
Yes, is already completed, as they are going to see.
Oh. Well, so which word do we use for this? This is Nakivubo? Or I think it's Nakivubo. Is this Nakivubo Channel?
Yeah, it is Nakivubo Channel.
Okay. Wow. When did the construction start?
When it started?
Yeah.
I'm not very sure of the date, but I think 2 weeks to 3 weeks ago. Yeah, the project is very, very fast.
It's too fast, yeah. So the plan is to put shops here and allow the water to pass down.
That's right.
Okay. I was also looking for you and I was like, where's this guy? Yeah, there are a lot of things here, man.
Yeah.
So this is the same like this one, even the other side?
No. The other side, the first floor of the shops is already completed. They are getting to the second floor.
Are you serious? It's going to have shops?
It is going to have shops from where it starts from the other side up to here, where Namirembe Road is. Now from there to the other side, it is going to be a public park.
What?
Yeah. Now the other side, the water channel is already covered. Even the first floor of the shops is already up. They're now getting to the second floor. Here they are just covering the water channel.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, so we can go the other side and see. Wow. So the other end will not get covered.
For the 9 kilometers,
yeah,
it has 9 kilometers length.
Yeah.
The 9 kilometers, I think they counted from Okello, because it starts from Okello and it goes and ends to, it stops at the Flyover. But out of the 9 kilometers, they are going to be covering the length starting from here up to the Flyover. I think that is roughly 3 to 2.5 kilometers.
Oh,
yes.
that space. But the channel itself moves from Makere up to Victoria.
It stops at Lake Victoria.
Yeah, Victoria.
Yes, but the 9 kilometers they counted, I think, stops there. I don't know.
So will the construction take place from now the flyover to go to Victoria?
For the project, we know.
Yeah.
No, it is just starting from here and ends at the flyover.
Wow. It's a very big project.
The whole plan is even on that board there, as you see it.
Yes.
I'm not sure where it's supposed to stop.
It looks like it has got an underpass.
No.
Oh, that is the...
That is already what they did down there.
Oh.
Yes, that is the plan for the trench.
Oh, so that is their trench.
Yeah, that is how it looks like.
Oh, yeah.
They can be able to go down, clean it up, and get out.
What?
Yeah.
That's pretty nice. That's very nice. What's the budget for this project?
They budgeted it at 10 to 15 million US dollars.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then what is the estimated time for construction?
For that, I'm not sure, but I interviewed someone
Yeah.
is one of the engineers that are doing the work now.
Yeah.
And he told me it will take roughly 2 years.
2 years.
Yeah.
Okay. Then they will launch it once.
Yes, but I think 2 years are much, depending on the speed.
The speed they're using.
Yes, I asked him, depending on the speed, isn't 2 years much?
Yeah.
He told me to count it fully finished.
Yes.
It has to take 2 years.
Okay.
That means it might be even bigger than we thought it would be.
Yeah. Yeah. Wow, this is a very big project. Very, very big. Up the other side. So that means this street might go away from here.
They are going to clean it up also. It is going to be
improved.
It's going to be improved and vehicles will be passing.
Oh.
Yeah.
But now this building, this other side looks to be a little old.
One thing I'm waiting for to see here, when these shops come up and maybe the prices are somehow low or down, it will bring competition with the buildings around here. Maybe these people that own buildings around here will also bring the price down. Well, that has been a big issue in Kampala for quite a long time. People are complaining of high raised prices of renting here. It is somehow expensive. Maybe the coming up of these new buildings will bring some competition.
It's a very big project, guys. Very big project. But one thing I like here is that the project is able to provide some employment opportunities for these guys. At least they are doing something.
And all the casual workers, even the contractors, it is Ugandan.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Another building which is getting constructed. What's the name of this area?
Here is called Nakivubo.
Nakivubo.
Yeah, it is full of wholesale shops.
Oh yeah. This is kind of a shopping mall also.
Yeah.
TikToker.
TikToker uses this camera.
Right, TikTokers are broke for this. Most TikTokers put their camera like this.
You buy this one here.
You buy it?
No.
Hey.
Are you feeling about the day?
You're not day. You're not day. Okay, so we are in Ham Shopping Mall, or Ham Shoppers already. Quite a very busy area with a lot of things happening around. Yeah, so as you can see, we came from this side and we'll be heading this other side. Very great to see around here. So we move which end? Go which side?
Yes, now we are on the main entrance to Ham Shopping Grounds.
Yeah.
And from this part is where the channel, the Nakivubo Channel that is being constructed, crosses through. It crosses through here.
Yes.
So this main entrance to Ham Shopping Grounds points directly to the biggest entrance to Old Tax Park still.
Oh, yeah.
But I think we are here for the
channel.
Nakivubo Channel.
Yeah.
So we are now going to move you around the channel.
Yeah.
This part of the channel, because real construction has not yet started. It is a 9-kilometer channel whereby right now, I think 2 kilometers constructions have already started, and there is real work going on. We are going to take you there, but this side, the work has not yet started for now.
So all this where you find this mabati is guarding, that's the channel. Okay. So we go like this, or?
I think we are going to go like this.
Okay.
And again, there was a building. It was called Haji Musa building.
Yes.
It was demolished. I think the plan of the channel,
Yes.
they needed that space of that building, and so it was supposed to be demolished.
Yes.
Maybe to extend for the original plan of the new channel.
So was the guy compensated?
I think so.
Okay.
But if we are not hearing anything of the sort in the newspaper,
That means
maybe they compensated him.
yeah, they dealt behind the chamber.
Yeah.
So the channel is inside here. Right, so this was the demolished building. I think to extend to the program and the plan for the channel. That's the demolished building. Yeah. Here you find a lot of business vendors coming from maybe the other side, you know, all here. As you can see from here, channel is ongoing construction in this area. Very busy. So busy. Right, engaging here. All this area is filled up with vendors coming from this side. Yeah. Really, vendors fill up this area. The left-hand side is where you find a channel. Great construction ongoing. to enjoy downtown so much. Which mall is this here?
This is actually, I don't know the real name, but this is the building that has Freeman Hyper supermarket on the top.
Oh, yeah.
So many people recognize the building by that supermarket.
Oh, the Freeman Up. To downtown.